Hello, sisters and brothers. Let's get into the review of Max Funnels Reloaded. So, this is a software dashboard, or you can say that the front preview. Okay, so this is a starting page, and in a nutshell, this software is giving you high converting funnel pages, and they are literally so much crafted and so much good looking, and with a high converting chances. Okay, so this is a dashboard, and there are so many done for you funnels, near about 200 plus done for you funnels, and so many options, and you can do any kind of customization with your funnel pages and everything in with a very easy effort. Okay, so let me just before starting the review, let me show you the bonuses value which I am giving you with this software totally for free once you have brought the front end product from my side. Okay, so this is the bonus value: 6,397 custom $97 custom bonuses. Okay, which I have collected from so many days, and I am giving you totally free. I will show you what are the bonuses, and you can also skip the video and go to the bonuses directly by touching on the chapters of this video, which is given on the video description, and you will be redirected to there. And you can also watch the video and all the review. What is this software, why should you buy this, sorry. Okay, so let me start the review. Okay, so you have to enter here any business name. I am giving any kind of name, a random name. Okay, let me click on next. Okay, so these are the, I think this is the progress bar. Okay, do you have, I am using this for first time, and I will try you to clear you from every aspect and each of every minute option with a detailed review. Okay, do you have a website, shop or blog for this business? Let me choose no, I don't. Okay. Okay, now they are telling you to describe your business. Okay, let me, I want to sell digital product, and let me click on finish and go to their dashboard. So this is a dashboard. Okay, uh, okay, it is coming. So you can see this is the dashboard, and there are so many features, so many options. I am using this for first time, and I will clear you. Okay, from every sides, from every aspects. Okay, so you can see there are so many options, and also there are so many options. Okay, let me start from here. Okay, so this is the audience section, and in audience category there are 5 subcategories, which is segments, contacts, lists, tags, and communication. Okay, so let me go through one by one. Okay, I will go from I will start from segments, and I think this review video will be a little bit lengthy. Okay, so this is the segment part, and I think this is that part where it will show you your previously done funnel pages. Okay, or maybe your audience lists. Okay, so all audience and something like that. This is maybe some lists with the performance analytics. Okay, so the next option is let me show you contacts. Okay, so contacts is that thing, I think, who are your subscribers. Okay, and you can also add your new contact, new lists. Okay, as it is also giving you the opportunity or feature of integrating with 30 plus which is 30 plus popular, which is going on market autoresponders. Okay, so there are so many autoresponders. I think all of the autoresponder can be connected with this software. Okay, so that is why these options are given. This is tags and this is communication. I don't know exactly what is tags and what is communication also. Okay, so this feature will be unlocked on upgrade version. Okay, now let me go through the campaign section. So in this section you can see this is funnel oblique journey. So this is the main thing, I think. Okay, so let me click on new funnel. Okay, I can target any leads, or I can choose. Okay, let me just read it. Generate maximum leads for your paid ads or other traffic source, and this is send visitors through a funnel containing main offer, upsells, follow-ups to get maximum sales. Okay, let me choose it. Okay, now let me give any name. Okay, so I am now creating a funnel, you can see. So this is the funnel for sales. This is a easy type of funnel, and they have given so many ready made and done for, or maybe done for you, whatever you want to say, you can say. Okay, so you can just choose it from the gallery, or you can customize it. I think this software is really valuable, and there are so many features that I can't explain you, and you have to just discover it or roam it from yourself to know all about it. Okay, so I can edit it from here, I can change anything. Okay, uh, everything are customizable. Okay, you can see, as I am removing it, it is moving. Okay, this is totally drag and drop enabled. Okay, so let me go to the back, and from templates, let me click on from my templates. Okay, so I have not created any template, as I am using or I can create it from scratch. Okay, now let me show you the second option, which is like okay, let me show you, which is like targeted list. Okay, once I clicked on targeted list, okay, there are so many options also, and they will also give targeted leads funnel. Okay, so these are the targeted leads list funnel, and you can, let me show you anyone from them. Okay, so this is also the same thing, like the previous one. Okay, let me click on back. Okay, so let me now go to the page. So these are the pages. You can add a new page, or you can import it by yourself. And Okay, let me click on import. I have not any file to import. Okay, let me cancel it, and let me click on new page, and I have to put I am talking you that this software is totally for them who want to build funnel page easily, instantly, and you have to just give a little bit, an hour, about 5 minutes a day, to get a high quality good funnel page. Okay, so you can see I am creating a funnel page, and I am not creating. Okay, so this is done for you, and this is totally editable, you can see, and easy customizable. Okay, so there are so many features, and also countdown features also, which is in its look, the look of this page is literally very much pretty awesome and good, and so crafty, and so professional. Okay, so that's why you will have a high converting, very much high converting chance with your funnel pages. You can get a very good sales with these funnel pages. Okay, that's why I recommend anyone who want to earn online. I recommend this tool to anyone who want to earn online. Okay, so these are the videos. You can choose your new video, or maybe I think they have not given any video, or maybe they will give it in the upsells version. There are so many upsells version, I will show you. Okay, so these are the pages, these are the projects, and they are also giving the pop-up bars features. Okay, I think pop-up bars is not available in this. Okay, I was right that pop-up bars is not available on this front-end product, but it will be available on upgrade version. Okay, so they are giving A/B test. Oh, this is a really good feature. A/B test features is something like that, comparing something with another thing. Okay, so they are giving these features also with the upgrade, I think. Okay, this is upgrade, this will be unlocked in upgrade version. This is the analytics section. Let me click on analytics section, and let me click on audience. Okay, so you have to upgrade it if you want to and want to use the analytics. But on the front end section, they are giving you so many things, and so many done for you stuffs. Okay, let me show you the done for you stuffs repeatedly. Okay, or maybe what should I say, maybe once more. Okay, Okay, so let me now choose it 30. Okay, okay, so these I don't know where the exact done for you pages are given. Okay, but they are giving 200 plus done for you pages. Okay, something like that. Maybe I have not used it, or maybe I can't able to find it, or maybe I think that as I am using it for first time, I am unable to find it. Okay, I don't know exactly, but you can see the tutorial videos. Okay, now let me show you my bonuses. Okay, so which I am giving you. So this is a meme created by me, and I want you to choose your product with a big smile. That's why I always create memes. And there are some facts that this word, only this word, funnel page, how much there is, how I want to show you that Google Trends showing me that, and also you, that how much this word is trending, okay, nowadays. And also there are so many facts, you can read it, I have highlighted it. And these are the product ratings. Okay, I think value for money is little bit lower, because I think if the cost is lower than $40, it will be crazy, thing. That's why I've given it a little bit lower. I have given it a little bit lower, but I will change my decision and I will do it little bit higher after using the front end version of this product. I am using it for first time, as I have told you before of this video. Okay, in the beginning of this video. Okay, so these are the all of the key features of this product. You can see there are so many key features I have put here, I have mentioned here. Okay, so once you have clicked on the video description link, which is given on the top, middle and the bottom, also you will be redirected to this page. And after that you can easily check everything about this product, the price, the discount, the coupon code and the discount percentage, and the also every pricing plans, and also the guarantee period, the bonuses, everything. Okay, so I want you, okay, let me pause it. Okay, so I want you to visit this page by yourself and check this from your side. Okay, so now let me show you the bonuses. Okay, this video has already become so many lengthy. Okay, so these are the upsells. Let me just clear you the upsells. So this is a front end product which is the start version is coming at $42.95, and the max funnels, which is commercial version, is coming with $47.95. And after that, these are upsells, which has the first upsells has also the monthly version and also a one-time deal version, which is one-time price, like. And these are the features, you can read it by yourself. And the first upsell also has a down sell, and this is $67. Okay, this is called light. Okay, the second upsells has 200 client license, and the ultimate client license is which is coming with second upsells is costs $97. Okay, and the third upsells costs $47, and you can read the features visiting this page. Okay, and the fourth upsell has three features, which is a monthly feature, which is 1 year deal feature, and which is also 5 year deal feature. Okay, so these are the features, you can visit this page and also read this. So these are the bonuses which I want to show you from the beginning. Let me just very fast, let me just clear you, go through it. I just don't make the video so lengthy. Okay, so after 50 bonuses, let me show you. I have put here 270 plus as mega bonuses. Okay, because these days people has literally little span, and many of the people not have the reading span more than 5 minutes or maybe 2 minutes, 1 minute. Okay, that's why I have put it as 270 plus mega bonuses, which consist of softwares and also WordPress plugin mainly, and also some PDFs. Okay, so I have put it 270 plus bonuses which I have collected from so many days. So okay, so after 50 bonuses I am giving you 270. It is not that I am giving you all total of 270, but after 50 bonuses I have mentioned here 270 plus bonuses as mega bonuses. Okay, so I am giving you 320 plus softwares. Okay, near about all of them are softwares, and some are WordPress plugins, and also some are some case studies, some proofs. Okay, which will help you to learn everything about marketing and maybe video making. Okay, everything I have covered. Okay, which is related to computer world. Okay, so that was the bonuses, and you can access the bonus once you have purchased it from my side, and you can just click this blue button, you will be redirected to the bonuses. Okay, so this was the review. I think I have covered over almost everything with this software and also the bonuses. So I am signing out for the day. So bye bye.